Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple process that can be used for a variety of creative, technical, and practical reasons. Obviously, by blurring certain areas of the frame, like the background or the main subject in the shot, it will stand out more. This draws the viewer's attention to a particular part of the scene. Now, for us to be able to add a blur in any part of our video, all you have to do is go to the effects section right here, click that, and it would give you a search option or entry in the top right corner. Now, I want you to type in Gaussian blur, or just blur. Press enter. You have all these effects for the blur. But for now, we're gonna click the Gaussian blur, which is most of the well-known blur in the Adobe platform industry. So I want you to click that and drag it all the way to your video. All right, so I have two elements. One is the photo right here, and the second is going to be the video. So I wanted to drop the effects to the video, not the photo. All right, and then go to the editing section. Now you see, once after exiting the effects, if you go to the editing, you will see that they have an option for the Gaussian blur. Now, you would notice that you have two options here: the circular ellipse mask and the square 4-point polygon mask. So I'm going to show you both. Now, this is going to be the kind of area that you can put the blur in. All right, so it's kind of polygon. So for example, we're gonna blur this lady smiling, because if you click that, all right, so if we wanted to blur this, we're gonna make sure that this is here. And then now, once you've dragged the handle across all the part of the video that you wanted to blur, you just have to increase the blurriness. If you slide it all the way to the right, you would notice that it's been blurred so much. All right, now if you click it and play it, what will happen is the video will be blurred for the majority of the video. All right, now the next thing that I'm going to blur is I'm gonna go to the blur effects. I'm gonna use a directional blur to the photo. So drag it, you see the handle, drag it and put it on the picture, which is this one. Now I'm going to go to the editing section. You see the blur length right here. I'm gonna use now the ellipse mask. You see this? I'm gonna use it just for the face of the picture. You see that? And then I'm gonna increase the blur length. You see this? Right? Now, if I click on both, as you can see, blurring can be used to create a dreamy, surreal, or abstract visual effect. It can change the overall tone of atmosphere of a scene, making it look soft and artistic. And of course, by applying blur to moving elements, it can help convey speed or movement, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.